back to another video, and I am really tall. Right, sorry about that. In today's video, as you saw in the last video, the title was gel apeel / slime. Well, and slime. We didn't do gel apeel. So, because we did slime, well, I showed you slime. Next video, which will be part 3, I'll be doing a surprise. Gel apeel, I'll be doing now, so be prepared. It is currently 9:10. Last video was 8:53 when I started. Now it's 9:10 because I had to upload it and do it all. This, no, we need to go higher. That's too high. I'll just move the camera up. This is my gel apeel box. Basically, you've got letters, bracelets, more bracelets, and then you get earrings and headbands like that. So, what I'm going to do today, because I lost my plastic sheet, which you need to do all the designs on. So, I brainstormed and thought this box will do. How are you going to look at the template? Not under there, because that would be like really inaccurate. But to slide it in, close it, and do the design. Oh. Yeah, so what we're going to do is we're going to do a C first. I'm just going to do them all one colour because I need them to dry quick. Because the C is for my cousin Chloe, as you saw in the video. What video was it now? I actually can't remember. But yeah, you saw it in a video. New Friends, that's what it was. I'm just trying to get my outlet because I broke it. Ooh. Yeah, so let's do this. I'm gonna do a pink for Chloe. That'll do. I'll get my tips, but I hope there is no dirty. And guess what? They're all freaking dirty. But one. So, I'll just clean these out and you can either watch me do it or not, I guess. It's quite fun actually. All you do is it's not even dry. Just pull out all the stuff, basically. But you can't do it when it's not dry. This is dry, but not completely dry, basically. Okay, I can use... Oh no, that's the star tip, that doesn't matter. I just want to get these ones clean. I need 3, so it's okay. That for Chloe's. That for mine. That for Jess's, he'll do. That can be for Jess's. Shout out to all three of them people. No. Because I'm the one who's doing the video. So I'll just put that over there. And let's get started. So, move these. Okay, so we've got the 3 number 1 tips. They're just a simple circle. Now, what you do is you just, I didn't even get the colours. This pink, this purple, this green. Still, I got pink, purple and green. We might have to do a part 2 to this, like part 3 though. Dun, dun, dun. So we got those 3 colours. So we're going to start off with pink because Chloe will need hers first because I'll see her first. But I'm here till tomorrow as well because I'm not in school this week. So I can do Chloe's because I can get mine anytime. So do you know what? I don't even need that template. I'm just going to do a freehand. This is scary. There we go. I'm going to make it a bit thicker. Oh, shit. That will do. What I'm going to do with the gold is I'm going to make another C. And you'll see. And you'll see why in a minute. So that's 1 down. I'll do mine, yeah. This one. So just a simple L. Make it a bit thicker. Because Jessica has gel apeel, but I don't think she knows how to use it because she asked me yesterday. So, I'll make one for her. Oh, that's a lot of purple. I'll just put that. I know what I'll do. I'll do dots like this for Chloe. So I've just added a little addition to Chloe's. If you can see the little, right, do you know what I'll do? I'll do this so I don't touch it. You can see there's like little purple dots on Chloe's, and I've got purple, and I'm gonna put, I might put pink dots on mine, but I'll just put green dots on mine because I like green way better. It's not even green, it's like a turquoise colour. So if I put the cat bit on, then this. Oh no, can't be having that, can we? So I think we'll have to leave it me taking the cap off. Right, hell, but hello. That's it for today, everyone, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.